this is Bernie, and today I have received a gift from CrabTek, which is the smart bulb, which you can control through your smartphone using the CrabTek Home Application. So this is the CrabTek Home Application. Dito natin makokontrol yung brightness ng inyong smart bulb. And makokontrol mo rin yung kanyang color. So we have a lot of colors available: blue, green, yellow, red, pink. And also we have a tab for scene modes. So we have night mode, grade mode, working mode, leisure mode, and a lot more. And isa sa mga pinaka-favorite ko dito is yung music tab niya, wherein sumasabay yung ating bulb sa music na maririnig ng inyong smartphone. Try natin. Ayan. So sumasabay yung ating ilaw ng bulb depende sa music na maririnig ng inyong smartphone. Amazing, right? You can purchase this smart bulb on SHOPEE, Lazada, and on our website, CrabTekMall.com. You can also use my own voucher code on SHOPEE. Just type in CRABBERNI, that's CRABBERNI for your 10% discount. Thank you so much, guys. Bye!